In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage accounts payable using Xero, perfect for small business owners. If you're new to Xero or just looking to streamline your accounts payable process, this tutorial will guide you step by step to make the process as seamless as possible. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to Xero.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. After you've logged in, you'll see a dashboard displaying various options. Here, select the organization you're working with, which will bring up your tailored business overview. Next, navigate to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find the Business tab. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select the Bills to Pay option. This is where you'll manage and keep track of your bills. Once you're on the Bills to Pay page, look for a button labeled New Bill. Clicking on it will open a form where you can input the details of a bill you need to enter. Now carefully enter the supplier's name, the bill's date, when it's due, and any reference numbers that apply. These details ensure that the information correlates directly with what you owe. Continuing on, it's important to input the item descriptions, the quantities you're billing for, the unit price, and correct account categories. These could be anything from office supplies to utilities. Accuracy here is key for proper financial accounting. After entering all this information, you'll see an Approve button. Clicking this confirms the bill's details, moving it a step closer to payment. Let's continue managing our bills by going back to the Business tab and selecting Bills to Pay again. Find the specific bill you've already paid. Here, you'll want to click on Add Payment. This allows you to update the system with payment details and helps you keep everything organized. In the Payment section, select the bank account that was used for this payment. Then, enter the actual payment date and the amount paid. After confirming these details, click the Add Payment button to log it in Xero. For bank reconciliations, go to the Accounting menu, then choose Bank Accounts. Find and select the bank account involved in the transaction. Head over to the Reconcile tab. Matching your bank transactions with corresponding bill payments in Xero is crucial for accurate bookkeeping. Once matched, hit OK to confirm each transaction. Lastly, let's ensure everything is tidy. Go back to Business, then Bills to Pay, and take a look at what's awaiting approval. You'll want to check which bills are due soon and consider prioritizing them to manage cash flow efficiently. For a broader perspective on your payables, navigate to Accounting and then Reports. Under Payables, select Aged Payables Summary or Aged Payables Detail. Reviewing these reports will help you understand what you owe and to whom, and you can even export these reports as PDFs or Excel files for future reference. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing your accounts payable in Xero. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your small business maintains accurate and up-to-date financial records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your accounting process.